Hello crafty friends, I have a project share for you today. This is for Miss T Creates birthday challenge. I'll link her down below. And I created a tag flip. So this is my tag flip. I added some ribbon to the front. She likes mints and pastels. So that is what I went with, and she wanted happy birthday and 70th on the front. So I did a 70. I embellished that because it looked a little plain. And then I added these little charms. She likes ladybugs and butterflies, so I added these little guys on. And then to the front for my first flip, it's a giant shaker, and this is stamped out and colored in the back, and I have butterflies in there, and I painted all of these little ladybugs in different pastel colors. I think they're so cute, and just made a cute little shaker front tag flip for her. So that is the front. And then on the next page, I have these butterflies that I made. I cut these out, I double layered them on foam and added these little middle things. And I added some little butterflies that she can use as embellishments on her projects. And then I just put some washi tape at the bottom of the tag so it wouldn't look so plain. And then on this one, you can see there's a tiny little Jimmy in the middle. And then I have this pink one down here. And this is a Sizzix die, and I just cut it out, and she can use those as embellishments on her project. And then the last page, I opened it up because I actually refilmed this because I had a mess, because I like to put these little sequins and stuff in the bags when I package. And I like to make little cards. I did it for a Halloween swap as well, because it's always nice to have those to grab pre-made. But for those, I also did these little envelope seals, and I placed, these are the ones, I think these are the ones I got for Christmas this year at Christmas time for 99 cents for a big package at Hobby Lobby. And I just added little butterflies to them. And then here I did some little cards, and they have their envelopes. And let me pull them out. First, I did this little mint colored one. It has a little embellishments in the corner. It has that sweet little butterfly and this cute little ribbon. I love that little ribbon. It's so cute. And then I did a mint one with the mint trim and this purplish lavendery butterfly here with some more little embellishments at the top. I did round the corners on this one, but I didn't like the rounded corners as much, so I only did it on one. And then lastly, my favorite is this one. I love the pink, and I have these little embellishments up at the top, and this trim and this white butterfly. I think this is the trim that we get from Walmart, y'all. My Walmart out here by me never has them, but when I go up into the country, I like to stop by and pick up their trim. But it's so pretty. This one is my favorite though. And then of course I have the little envelopes that she can package them up in, and that one goes on my last little flip. And that is it. And that is, oh, the back of my little thing has butterflies on it as well. But that is it. This is my tag flip. And I hope that you guys are all having a sweet day. Bye-bye.